This is a Star Wars lightsaber light-up timer toothbrush, and it's the Rey version. I'm not sure if they have other versions as well. It's made by the company Firefly. So how it works is it has sounds and lights that are activated for a minute, and then that kind of indicates how long you should be brushing your teeth. It actually it recommends on the back that you should brush your teeth for 2 minutes, so I guess you're supposed to press the button twice, but I'll just demo all of the sounds for you, so I'll see you on the other side of a minute.
Get ready!
That was the first one, and then it's going to talk again. But I guess it flashes the whole time, as you can see.
Don't give up hope. We're not done yet.
We're not done yet. Yep, you're not done brushing your teeth, that's for sure.
You have to keep going.
Yep, and you have to keep brushing your teeth. Must have been fun to select these sound clips.
You're okay.
Okay, so it ends on "you're okay," at least with this round. I've listened to this before. I think it cycles through a few different phrases than that too. That's good. You're okay by the time you finish brushing your teeth. Anyway, that's just kind of a quick sound demo of this lightsaber toothbrush. I'm probably not going to use this. I received it as a gift, but yeah, it would be fun for kids, I think, but I don't know. I like to use a regular toothbrush. But anyway, this is kind of a fun lightsaber toothbrush.